Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 69 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to talk about my longevity in Okinawa spinach. I have many videos about this. On this channel, I love these plants, but I think it's time for a change. I'm not going to get rid of them. It's just, I think I need to move them because they're pretty aggressive growers, a lot more than they were years ago. Let me flip the camera around. And you can see what I've been doing. This is the Okinawa area. Luckily, I still have some Okinawa left. You can see the purple tinge under the leaf of the Okinawa. Maybe there's a better leaf. In the summer, it starts losing the purple. In the winter, the purple comes up. The original Okinawa was here. It died. The roots pretty much rotted out. One moment, let me focus. Roots rotted out. Before it died, though, it was infested with aphids. The longevity is over here. So I love these plants so much that I put them right at my patio. But I think, let me go ultra wide. It's just too much. And I kind of want to have, you can see some grapes here. I want to go up the trellis. This used to be passion fruit, but after about 3 to 5 years, passion fruit dies off. And I was worried about all the bees it attracted in the patio. You know, I don't know if my son and my daughter are allergic to a bee sting, and if they were and something happened because of the patio passion fruit flowers, that would I would regret planting the plant. So I removed it when it started dying off. But regardless, the grapes are here to climb up the trellis, and I wanted to have the longevity and the Okinawa on the base. Beautiful plants, edible, extremely nutritious, medicinal, great plants. But the problem is because they're so dense, especially longevity. Look at this, you know? It's so dense that it harbors a lot of insects. So at night you'll see a bunch of snails and slugs walking into the patio and other bugs and things like that. And it just, you know, I know that's nature, but, you know, when people see that, they come over, friends, family. They don't want to go on the patio because of that reason. They need to be moved. So I'm going to probably move the longevity and the rest of the Okinawa, the healthy part, to the front of the house. I have a spot for it. I think it'll be perfect. Not now, probably in about a month. But yeah, this is a humongous plant that died off. Look how big this thing was. Huge. That's how it looked for a while. I just thought it was a little sick or something was wrong because some of the limbs are still alive, but no, it died off. It is what it is. Isn't that crazy, Lulu? How things could happen like that? Huh? Look at her eyes. Focused. On what? I don't know. She's just staring at the sky. Anywho, that's just a little update on this. Happy gardening, everybody. Come on, Lulu.